Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Pandabuy. Pandabuy is an online shopping platform where you can buy a wide range of products such as clothing, electronics, some goods and more. The website is easy to navigate, but you can quickly search for items and your interest. Let's head to Pandabuy. So the prices are reasonable on this website. There are often sales and discounts available. The checkout process is straightforward and you can pay using a variety of methods including credit cards and PayPal. So let's start by creating our account. So accurate data of transit time. So here you need your username, your email address. This name is already taken. Okay, let's use my backup name. No one can take this. So we have the email address, the password, and we have to confirm the password again. The verification code is XY2N for me. You just copy this. Or you can continue with Google or Apple. And I just saw it. That's why I prefer using phones. So let's sign up. Please read and agree. Ah, yes, sorry. And let's sign up. Register success. Please activate your Pandabuy account with the link sent to your email box. So let's head to our email account. This is just Arabic. It's not magic. Just kidding. I know you know Arabic. You know Arabic? Ah, you don't. And let's head to Pandabuy email activation account. Here we have hi there, thanks for joining Pandabuy. Please click blah 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 to activate your account and verify your email within 24 hours. If clicking on the link doesn't work, copy and paste your in a new browser window instead. Let's verify our account. So one downside is that shipping can take a while, especially if you are ordering from outside your country where the item is being shipped from. However, there is tracking available so you can keep an eye on your order progress, just like the famous websites. So here you can download the app to view your car and others. Already registered, activated your account. Now let's log in. You put your email here again. The password you created. And the verification code. DBW6. And you log in your account and welcome to the store. Here we have home, forwarding, we have fill and buy, find and buy. The beginner's guide. I am the beginner's guide now. We have the help center, the language and currency, Okay. Now we have the estimations. We have here your profile, the user-centered orders, the warehouse, the parcel, the wallet, and logout. Let's head to the user center. So this is my account. You can here ask for refunds. Here we have the list of things you bought. Here you can see your cars, your favorites, your orders, the warehouse, reazel, the parcel. All those will be empty. The reviews, the wallets. Like I said, all those will be empty. We just created the account few seconds ago. Here we have my points, the message. Here the account. The username, the country, the phone number, the birthday, the language, the gender. Here we have the ID. You can grow in private village level. You can be a VIP 6. You can earn points, discounts, and others. We have my size, the shipping address here. You can add your location. Here we have the account safety. You have to link your account, Google or Apple. You have to add authenticator verification. Here we have credit card and billing address. You can add your billing address. Here we have the customized functions: autopay, order tag, HD photo templates, and others. And that's it. Let's head to the website and see the products. So for me, I'm more into lighters. So let's look for a lighter. Don't tell me it's empty. Okay, they don't have lighter. Thanks for watching. No, no, no. Something's wrong. Enter the shop's name. No, I want the product. Let's say hoodie. Okay, I may have misspells. So there isn't anything that you can just browse randomly. Notices, tags, lower cost, service, and wait, is the website empty? Here we have the transport and shipping informations. So here we have the home page. Okay, give me a second to find where are the products. Okay, I find out I was just patientless. So if we search lighter, we just have to wait more few seconds, and those are the lighters. I was just being patientless, like I said. So if you are looking for a reliable online shopping platform with a diverse range of products, Pandabuy is definitely worth it. So we have, whoa. Okay, I think I'm buying something right now. Cool. Something look like katana or something. The digital one. We have The horse design, the flip flop, the the golden joker. Nice. Okay, I start loving this website. And there's number of varieties. So let's see a random one and see how the shipping thing work. No, I don't smoke. I just like lighters. So let's just find a lighter. The Okay, this one look good. So after heading to the product page, you add it to cart. A risk reminder: products submitted may have 3 risks. We suggest to read. Enable to purchase. We apologize, we cannot purchase on forward that mentioned products for you since these products are restricted by the customs and security check policy. Check policies. Wait, they said 3 risks. This is the same and copy it 3 times. This is weird. So they can't ship me a lighter? Okay, let's just look for a pen. Pen, pen, pen. I swear, I was just trying to write pen. So just a regular pen. Whoa, whoa. I said a regular pen. Bernard Shaw pen glory series gold. No, 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 no. I just wanted a regular pen. Yes, yes. Detective Conan's pen. Okay, this is something worth it. I will act like I'm not following the lowest price. So this, after you find the thing you want, you can agree and buy. Please select category. Oh, those informations. Select by color. How can I? Wait, wait. I think it's my bad. No, 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 no. I didn't mean to do this. Okay. Kaito Kid, Haibara. We have Conan, Shinichi, Amoro, Togomori, Vodka, Akai Shichi. We have the blue and the black. Let's take the blue one. The shipping is free. Sent to. I don't know what is this. Wait, I can add. What the? I can edit the shipping price. So, writing thickness. How am I supposed to know that? I'm not an artist. Package type. Plus 15 ink sac. 15 ink sacks. Never essential methods. Please select category. Sharp point. Quantity 1. And by clicking buy it now, please select country destination. And after filling up your information and paying, the shipping will be arriving to you. You can track it, like I said. There is a tracking thing. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.